Have you ever wanted a quick and easy way to revitalize your color-treated hair without stepping foot in a salon? What if I told you there's a product that not only infuses your hair with vibrant color, but also nourishes and repairs it, all from the comfort of your own home? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. This is the Inova Professional Color Revive and Enhance, the Miracle Mask in Color Deposit Red, a deep conditioning mask designed to give your hair that perfect pop of color while delivering intense nourishment and protection. If you're someone who loves vibrant, shiny hair but doesn't want to spend hours in the salon chair, you might want to stick around for this one. First things first, let's talk about what this mask actually does. The Inova Miracle Mask works as a color depositing treatment that helps enhance and revitalize your hair color. Whether you're a blonde, brunette, or redhead, this product is formulated to give your hair that extra boost of radiance while maintaining a healthy, shiny look. It's sulfate-free, so you can rest easy knowing it's gentle on your hair, preserving its natural oils and shine. Plus, it's packed with moisturizing ingredients that deeply nourish the hair while protecting it from split ends. It's really a two-in-one miracle. Now onto my personal experience with this mask. I've used it for a few weeks, incorporating it into my usual hair care routine. I'll admit, I was a little skeptical at first, wondering if it would really work as claimed. But after just one use, I noticed a significant difference. My hair felt softer, smoother, and yes, shinier. The color also seemed to pop more vibrantly. I've used other color-enhancing products before, but this one definitely stood out. The texture of the mask is rich and creamy, and it doesn't feel heavy at all. It's easy to apply and doesn't drip, which I appreciate because I can just relax and let it sit for the recommended time without making a mess. But, like any product, it's not all perfect. I did notice that the mask can leave a bit of residue if I don't thoroughly rinse my hair. This isn't a deal breaker, but it's something to be mindful of to ensure your hair feels completely clean. It's also worth noting that it does deposit a slight red tint, so if you're not looking for a color change or you're very particular about your current shade, you might want to test it on a small section first. Let's talk pros and cons. The pros are definitely the nourishment and color-enhancing benefits. My hair feels stronger, and the red tones are vibrant without being too overpowering. The formula is sulfate-free, so I'm not stripping my hair of its natural oils, and the deep conditioning aspect leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable. As for cons, the biggest one is the potential for residue if not rinsed properly. Additionally, if you're looking for something that adds only a subtle tint, this may be too intense. Is it worth the price? Well, let's consider the quality. The 10.2 fluid ounce size is great for those who have long or thick hair, and the nourishing ingredients make it a solid choice for anyone who colors their hair regularly. For the performance, I'd say the price is justified, especially since it offers both color enhancement and deep conditioning in one step. If you're a regular user of hair color products, this could easily replace several other items in your routine. In comparison to other color depositing masks on the market, this one stands out for its gentle, sulfate-free formula and the added benefit of repairing split ends. Some other products may offer similar color-enhancing effects, but they don't always provide the same level of nourishment or protection. If you're willing to invest a little more for salon-quality results at home, this one is a solid choice. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is sturdy and the size is generous. I also appreciate that the mask doesn't feel overly heavy or greasy, yet still delivers the moisture and color infusion it promises. If you're considering longevity, I've used it about 5 times so far, and the product still feels like it has a long way to go. Now, is this review helping you out? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss another honest review from Beautyistic. Your support helps us keep bringing you these real, no-nonsense product breakdowns. And if you're ready to try it, check the comments for the link to grab your own. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. I'm curious to hear how it worked for you, or if you found other color-enhancing treatments that have blown you away. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.